For over 1,000 years, people have walked the Camino de Santiago. This ancient pilgrimage has drawn countless souls from all corners of the world, each seeking something unique. Whether it's spiritual enlightenment, a sense of adventure, or simply a break from the hustle and bustle of modern life, the Camino offers a path for everyone. This network of pilgrimage routes leads to the Cathedral of Santiago de Compostela in Spain. The cathedral stands as a beacon of faith and history, welcoming weary travelers who have journeyed far and wide. The sight of its majestic spires is often the culmination of weeks, if not months, of walking. It is said that the remains of St. James are buried there. This belief has been a source of inspiration for pilgrims for centuries, adding a profound spiritual dimension to their journey. The tomb of St. James is not just a historical artifact, it is a symbol of faith, perseverance, and the enduring human spirit. The Camino is more than just a walk. It's a transformative experience that touches the heart, mind, and spirit. As you traverse the varied landscapes, from rolling hills to serene riversides, you find moments of reflection and tranquility that are rare in everyday life. It's a journey of the heart, mind, and spirit. Many pilgrims find themselves meditating or praying along the way, connecting with something greater than themselves. The Camino has a way of stripping away the superficial, leaving you to confront your true self. While the most famous route is in Spain, the French Caminos offer a unique and rewarding experience. These routes are steeped in history and culture, providing a different perspective on the pilgrimage. The French countryside, with its charming villages and picturesque landscapes, adds a layer of beauty to the journey. France boasts 4 main routes. Each of these paths has its own distinct character and challenges, but all lead to the same destination. The signposts along the way guide you through bustling towns and quiet hamlets, each with its own story to tell. They converge before crossing the Pyrenees Mountains into Spain. This crossing is one of the most challenging yet rewarding parts of the journey. The Pyrenees stand as a natural barrier, a test of endurance and willpower, but also a gateway to the final leg of the pilgrimage. Along the way, you'll discover stunning scenery, historic towns, and warm hospitality. The locals you meet are often as much a part of the experience as the landscapes you traverse. Their kindness and stories enrich your journey, making each step more meaningful. This essay explores the French Caminos. We delve into the history, the routes, and the experiences that make this pilgrimage so special. Whether you're a seasoned pilgrim or a curious newcomer, there's something here for everyone. Get ready to be inspired to walk your own Camino. The journey may be long and challenging, but the rewards are immeasurable. So lace up your boots, pack your bag, and set out on a journey that could change your life forever. The Camino de Santiago has been a major pilgrimage route since the Middle Ages. This ancient path, also known as the Way of St. James, has drawn countless pilgrims from all corners of Europe, each seeking spiritual growth and adventure. Its popularity peaked in the 12th century, a time when the fervor for religious journeys was at its height. Pilgrims from all walks of life, from peasants to nobility, embarked on this sacred journey, often facing numerous hardships along the way. This surge in pilgrimage activity was largely due to the discovery of what were believed to be the remains of St. James. The relics were said to have miraculous powers, drawing even more people to the site in hopes of divine intervention or healing. St. James, one of the 12 apostles of Jesus, was a figure of immense importance in Christian tradition. His connection to Jesus and his role in spreading the gospel made his relics particularly venerated. According to legend, St. James preached the gospel in Spain, sowing the seeds of Christianity in the Iberian Peninsula. His efforts were seen as foundational to the Christian faith in the region. After his martyrdom, his remains were miraculously transported to Galicia, a region in northwestern Spain. This miraculous event further solidified his status as a saint and made Galicia a focal point for Christian pilgrims. This is the region where Santiago de Compostela is located. The city became the ultimate destination for pilgrims, with its magnificent cathedral housing the revered relics of St. James. The Camino de Santiago became a major force in medieval Europe, not just as a religious journey, but as a cultural phenomenon. It connected various parts of Europe, fostering a sense of unity and shared purpose among the diverse peoples of the continent. It helped spread Christianity and Western culture as pilgrims carried with them not only their faith, but also ideas, art, and knowledge. The exchange of these cultural elements enriched both the pilgrims and the communities they visited. It also fostered economic and cultural exchange between the Iberian Peninsula and the rest of Europe. Markets and towns along the route thrived, benefiting from the influx of pilgrims who needed food, shelter, and supplies. This economic boost helped to develop the region and integrate it more closely with the rest of Europe. 4 main routes traverse France, each with its own unique character and history, offering pilgrims a diverse range of experiences as they make their way to Santiago de Compostela. Via Turonensis, also known as the Tours route, starts in the bustling city of Paris and travels through the picturesque Loire Valley, which is famous for its stunning chateaux and lush vineyards. This route offers a blend of urban and rural landscapes, allowing pilgrims to experience the rich cultural heritage of France. As they walk, they can explore historic towns, visit ancient churches, and enjoy the serene beauty of the French countryside. Via Lemovicensis, or the Vézelay route, begins in the charming town of Vézelay, which is home to the relics of Mary Magdalene. This route takes pilgrims through the Limousin region, known for its rolling hills and tranquil scenery. Along the way, pilgrims can visit the impressive Vézelay Basilica, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and immerse themselves in the spiritual atmosphere of this historic pilgrimage path. The journey through the Limousin region offers a peaceful and reflective experience, with opportunities to connect with nature and local traditions. Via Podiensis, known as the Le Puy route, starts in the ancient town of Le Puy-en-Velay, which is renowned for its dramatic volcanic landscape. This route is famous for its breathtaking scenery, including rugged mountains, deep valleys, and picturesque villages. Pilgrims on this path can enjoy the natural beauty of the region while also exploring its rich history and cultural heritage. The Le Puy route is considered one of the most scenic and challenging of the French pilgrimage routes, offering a rewarding experience for those who undertake it. Finally, Via Tolosana, or the Arles route, starts in the historic city of Arles, which is famous for its Roman monuments and its association with the artist Vincent van Gogh. This route takes pilgrims through the vibrant city of Toulouse, known for its distinctive red brick architecture and lively cultural scene. Along the way, pilgrims can explore the rich artistic and historical heritage of the region, visiting museums, galleries, and ancient sites. The Arles route offers a unique blend of art, history, and natural beauty, making it a fascinating journey for those who choose to follow it. These 4 routes converge in the picturesque town of Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port, nestled in the French Pyrenees. This charming town serves as a meeting point for pilgrims from all over the world, creating a vibrant and diverse community of travelers. Here, pilgrims can rest and prepare for the next stage of their journey, sharing stories and experiences with fellow travelers. The town's historic streets and welcoming atmosphere make it a memorable stop on the pilgrimage to Santiago de Compostela. From Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port, pilgrims embark on the challenging but rewarding journey across the Pyrenees Mountains into Spain. This leg of the pilgrimage is known for its stunning natural beauty and the sense of accomplishment it brings. As they cross the rugged terrain, pilgrims are treated to breathtaking views and the opportunity to reflect on their journey. Their ultimate destination is the sacred city of Santiago de Compostela, where they will join countless others who have walked these ancient paths before them, completing their pilgrimage with a sense of fulfillment and spiritual renewal. The French Caminos are dotted with architectural gems. These structures were built to inspire and shelter pilgrims. Some highlights include the Cathedral of Notre Dame de Paris, one of the most famous Gothic cathedrals in the world and a starting point for many pilgrims. The Basilica of Saint-Rémy in Reims, a masterpiece of Romanesque architecture where French kings were crowned. And the Abbey Church of Saint Foy in Conques, known for its magnificent tympanum depicting the Last Judgment. These sacred spaces provide moments of quiet reflection. They remind us of the Camino's spiritual heritage. Section 5. Villages of the Pilgrim. Hospitality and history. The French Caminos meander through picturesque villages. Many have welcomed pilgrims for centuries. You'll encounter charming villages like Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port, nestled at the foot of the Pyrenees. This town is a popular starting point. Roncesvalles, just across the Spanish border, this village is steeped in history and legend. Conques, home to the Abbey Church of Saint Foy, this village offers breathtaking views. These villages provide lodging, sustenance, and a sense of community. They are an integral part of the Camino experience. Section 6. The Spirit of the Camino. Then and now. The Camino de Santiago has always been more than just a physical journey. People walk the Camino for many reasons. For centuries, people have walked the Camino as an act of devotion. They seek spiritual growth and forgiveness. The Camino is also a test of physical and mental endurance. It offers a chance for self-discovery. And let's not forget, the Camino offers a unique way to experience the culture and history of France and Spain. Whether you're seeking spiritual enlightenment, personal growth, or simply an adventure, the Camino has something to offer everyone. Section 7. Practicalities. Planning your own pilgrimage. Walking the Camino de Santiago in France is a rewarding experience, but it does require some planning. Here are some things to consider. Spring, from April to June, and fall, from September to October, offer the best weather for walking. It's essential to be in good physical condition to walk long distances day after day. Pack light, bringing only the essentials. A good pair of hiking boots is a must. With a little preparation, you can have a safe and enjoyable journey. Section 8. Beyond the Path. The Camino's lasting impact. Walking the Camino de Santiago can be a life-changing experience. It often has a profound impact on those who undertake it. The Camino challenges you to step outside your comfort zone and see the world with fresh eyes. You'll meet people from all walks of life and share in the unique camaraderie of the Camino. Completing the Camino gives you a sense of pride and accomplishment. The lessons learned on the Camino can stay with you long after you return home. Section 9. Conclusion. A timeless journey awaits. The routes of Santiago de Compostela in France offer a unique and unforgettable experience. Whether you're drawn by history, spirituality, or the desire for adventure, the Camino has something to offer everyone. So, why not lace up your boots, grab your backpack, and embark on your own timeless journey? The Camino awaits.